We're going to start off with the 4th fret on the low E string. We'll play this note twice. Got a staccato effect, so we'll play the note and immediately release the pressure afterwards. We'll then jump up to the 4th fret with the pinky finger on the D string, down to the 1st fret on the D string with the 1st finger, and then 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the A string. So 4, 4, D string, 4, 1, 2 on the A, 4, 4 on the E, 4, 1 on the D, 2 on the A. Play that twice. Then we'll go to 4th fret on the A string 3 times. 6, 4, all on the A string. Those first 2 hits are again staccato. Then we'll move to 2 on the D. Again, 3 hits, first 2 are staccato. Then 4, 2, all on the D string. So we've got 4, 4, 4, 1, 2. 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2. We then go to this little power chord riff. Got a G sharp power chord. 1st finger, 4th fret at the low E, then the 3rd finger on the 6th fret at the A string and pinky finger on the 6th fret at the D. I'm going to hit this chord once, move the shape down 2 frets. This is 2, 4 and 4. Then we'll move it up to 9, 11 and 11, same shape. Down 2 frets to 7, 9 and 9. And then we'll go back to 4, 6 and 6. So we've got 4, 6, 6, 2, 4, 4, 9, 11 and 11, 7, 9 and 9. 4, 6, 6. The first guitar is going to play the same thing with a different ending, so we've got the same start, but then we're going to hit it twice more, down to 2, 4 and 4, and back up to 4, 6 and 6. So. And we've got that kind of pulsing staccato effect on the first 2 beats there as well. Okay. We then go into a really awesome but simple to play riff that goes 4, 4, 4, 2, 4 twice on the low E string. So we've got 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4. First 2 hits again staccato there. Jumping up to 4, 4, 4 on the A string and then 6, 4. And ending off with 2, 2, 2, 4, 2 on the D string. So. And that just repeats. At 1 minute and 20 we go into like a little break in the song and we're going to play 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 4, 6 and 6, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Down a string set to 4 on the A, 6 on the D and 6 on the G. Same rhythm, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Up to 7, 9 and 9, same shape here on the A, D and G strings. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and, so down, 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 down. Okay, so 4, 6 and 6, E, A and D strings. Moving down to 4, 6 and 6 on the A string. Then up to 7, 9 and 9, A, D and G strings. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. The second time through is slightly different rhythmically, but it starts the same chord, 4 on the E, 6 on the A and D, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're kind of pushing that rhythm forward. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we go down to the second chord, 4, 6 and 6 on the A, D and G strings this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Up to 7, 9 and 9, same string sets. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Immediately from there we go into a power chord version of the main riff. That one. We have 4, 6 and 6 on the E, A and D strings. 3 times with the staccato hitting the first 2. Down to 2, 4 and 4 just once. And back up to 4, 6, 6. This happens twice. Down to 4, 6 and 6 on the A, D and G strings. I'm going to shift up 2 frets to 6, 8 and 8. And then back down to 4, 6 and 6. Then we've got 7, 9 and 9, same rhythm. This time up to 9, 11 and 11. And back down to 7, 9 and 9. Okay, so for the outro in the song, we use the same chord shapes, 4, 6, and 6 on the E, A, and D, but this time we've got that 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of pulsing sound. We hit them all down strums and just rest immediately after hitting them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving down a string set to that C sharp power chord, 2, 3, 4. Then to the E power chord, 7, 9, and 9. Second time through is the same but different on the 7, 9, and 9 chords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we just go down. So it's 6, 4, 4, 3 times down to 2, 4, 4, just once, and back to 6, 4, 4. 2 staccato hits, long hit, and then 2, 4, 4, 6, 6.